All right, so just a quick video about some manure management. You know, I think of composting as a broad spectrum, and so in part what I'm doing with my manure management is raking up manure. So this is my orchard. These are plum trees, and my horse and my goats have been out in the orchard area, and in this front area we've had a very dry late summer, and so their field area ran out of grass, so they came up here, which is fine. So one of the things I do as far as manure management, so I'm raking manure around the root zone of the plum tree here, and I'm also raking up manure to put in the wagon, and we're going to take that manure and put it into raised beds. I have both traditional garden areas as well as raised beds. One of my raised beds here is basically a water trough, and the water trough developed a crack at the bottom so that it does not hold water anymore, and so it has been repurposed to be used as a raised bed. So one of the things I do every year is I rake up manure and I put it into the water trough, and then I add some potting soil, and basically I just let that go through the winter and do its thing, and it is a very productive small area. Last year I had 2 tomatoes and 2 pepper plants in this water trough, and they did excellent. They really like the fact that their roots can shoot down, and so part of what I'm doing in my composting is not necessarily composting per se as we think of it, but I am putting manure, you know, where I will want it for next year. And so, and this is okay, putting just the manure in the raised bed, because I'm not going to be planting everything or anything for several months. So this is October right now. I won't be planting this bed till, you know, April. And so so by that time the manure will have broken down and will be composted.